Meghalaya government looks keen to work towards making Shillong the Christmas capital of the Northeast. This time, the government has gone an extra mile and has illuminated many important locations of Shillong besides the usual small stretch of Police Bazaar, which has set the tone for Christmas not only in Police Bazaar but throughout the city. Expressing his happiness over the initiative of the Tourism and Arts and Culture Department, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo said that the government plans to further intensify the idea, and it would even go to extend the illuminating and decorating all district headquarters next year.
As you might have seen for yourself, the inflow of tourists has really jumped up, and we expect that we will be able to intensify the efforts of the department. And of course, a lot of projects are afoot and will be implemented by next year.
In a